In this video, I failed to paint the figure's eyes properly. I tried different types of ISAF German camouflage, and I'm happy to upload again. Today, I'm going to build this figure from Miniart. It's a typical Miniart figure. It has a wonderful cover image, unique in terms of topic, but you don't have high expectations for the fineness of its details. Anyway, I'm still happy to collect the kit. We don't have many choices on post-World War II German figures. Pair off the lines and sand them properly, they are clue to be assembled. The head mic is slightly overscaled. Besides that, the other elements are okay. Learn from the other masters. I gave the figure a black and white coat. It doesn't really work on my process. To me, it's more like a ceremony, a superstitious habit. Drawing a Trumpetum shirt is not easy, but at least you can still give it a try. I think as the combat camouflage is evaluated at the pixel level, it can't be drawn by hand anymore. For instance, I failed to paint the eyes again. I picked up my finest brush, but, well, obviously I need more practice. Voila, that's it. My ISAF German crew. I will add them to my incoming visual project. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, forward, subs, or just watch the video. Any kind of interaction will be a great help on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
You look happy to